Hi. Stop retyping data. Instantly turn PDFs into editable, analyzable Excel sheets using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF in Foxit Editor. Go to the Convert tab. Expand to MS Office and select to Excel. Specify the save location and file name. Open Settings. In the pop-up box, choose Page Range, Numeric Settings, Workbook Settings, and Text Recognition. Click OK to close. Finally, click Save. When the conversion finishes, the exported Excel file will open automatically.